Hey everybody, Aaron here, and today there are two things I want to talk about. First off, the Steam machine or SteamOS or everything about the new Steam shit in general. And half, whatever country you're living in. Well, even having troubles with the word country of country. Well, country or country? Which one do you prefer? Damn it, I really need to pick a language. I'm talking half English, half American, and Jaren's in the call, by the way.
Yes. So if you suddenly hear someone else talk.
Yeah, I'm healing here. He's just trying to learn how to snipe. So
yeah.
And, you're a spy. You're 100% spy. But what I want to talk about is SteamOS, Steam Machine, the whole thing, and half, or I'm gonna say half. I'm sorry. Half-Life 3 or Left 4 Dead 3, because some information about those things were released. Was released. Damn it. It's hard. But I'm playing on Foundry, it's called, right? I can see it here. Yes, CP on Foundry. I'm always insecure about if I got the name right. So let's. I'm using the normal. Well, using the normal Madigan, the Ubersaw, and the Brutus Crusader. Brutus Crossbow. Wow. Brutus Crusader. That's kinda. Oh.
We
and we already lost, so I can talk in the pace I want. So first off, SteamOS, Steam Machine. What is it? For those of you that don't know, Steam is gonna release a Steam Machine, Steam Box, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if the name is set yet. Do you, Jar?
I thought it was Steam Machines.
Well, I heard some YouTubers naming it Steam Machine and some Steam Box, so I'm really confused now.
Yeah, it was previously Steambox, but I think Valve just now calls it Steam Machine.
Yeah, because
I think Steambox was kind of the code name or something.
Yeah, but still, Steam Box is kind of like really a console, and well, I'm gonna tell you anyway. Steam Machine it's not like really a console. It's like a computer. Well, it's like a console disguised as a computer. It's for those people that, well, no, console is better, way better than PC, that they're just naive. Is that the word? No, ignorant. But hey, Jaren, gonna heal you. Hey. Stand still. Now I'm badass. It's for those people that don't want to buy a console because for some reason they find consoles better than PC. I have really no idea why you would learn to think I died. Why you would think that console is anyway better than PC, except for the fact that it's cheaper, but it's cheaper since the hardware is way worse, so that's only logical. In price performance rating, I think it's even more expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Agreed. Unless
you buy a PC out of the store. If you assemble it by yourself, a PC is way cheaper. Price performance rating. But yeah, it's for this. Why? I am always having trouble with. No, Jaren, don't die. Jaren died. I'm always having trouble with finishing my sentence because something happens, like getting headshot in the head. Well, headshots are most of the times in the head. Well, yeah.
Headshot in my toe.
I got a headshot in my toe, got a headshot in my tummy for you. That should be a hit. I should be a singer. Don't you think?
Of course, everyone should be singing.
Yeah.
That's why autotune was invented.
You've got the magic in you. Oh no, they're capturing.
You've got autotune in you.
Just like Valve is capturing the console market. Haha. Nice metaphor. But still, I think the Steam Machine is like a console disguised for PC for the people who are ignorant and don't want to buy a console for some reason, and then they bought the Steam Box or Steam Machine, and Valve's like, ha, it's still PC. Or it's a PC actually, which is running on a new operating system, SteamOS. Well, what is SteamOS? No one really knows. I think it's like Steam. It's like how Steam is now, only like your computer. So you start your computer, your Steam machine, and the first thing you see is like the Steam store interface, or that would be kinda advertised based. I don't think Steam's gonna do that because well, Valve is one of the better corporations. So I don't think they're gonna screw us over like that. I think they're just gonna make it like kind of like Windows. You have few starting apps, or you're starting a library, something like that. And if you want to, you can go to store, and it's all about Steam-based, all about gaming. So I don't think they're really bringing back the picture it was before. You know, you had a PC for business and a console for amusement, for recreation. So I really think it's something like that. So you have your Steam machine for gaming and nothing else really, because I don't think it's gonna be like Windows in which you can just do whatever the fuck you want. Like now I'm recording, or I make my homework and everything on my computer, but I also game on it. So I think it's more separated. Really back to the basics, back in the days when you had a Nintendo, and I really don't know if computers existed back then. I really have no idea of the... oh, spy. Hi. How does things were connected to each other? I really don't know. Do you, Jar? You know
really.
better about the days, back in the days, about gaming than I do. And we lost again, yay! But I really think they're going back to the idea, because, well, from what I've heard, nothing heard. It's like a PC, like you can do everything. Which they're only focused on gaming. Well, maybe you can do all this regular stuff. We don't know, because maybe they just haven't announced it yet or spoken about it, because it seems natural to them, which would be kind of dumb. But so we'll see. But I think it's a really good thing. I'm definitely gonna download SteamOS for my PC when it comes out. I'm not gonna buy Steambox. Why should I? This PC is way beast. One good thing about Steambox or Steam Machine, I'm just gonna use those definitions through each other. But Math Hills. But they're releasing multiple developers can release, build, work on Steam Machine and develop it under their own name. It's like Android's kinda. It's really like Android and Google. So Android has, or Google has released the Android license for on the internet, and everyone can buy it. I don't even know if it costs money, probably, because otherwise Google wouldn't be making profit of it. So I would think it's something like that, and you can buy it and make a Steam machine. And yeah, every Steam machine will have some certain rules. So you have like one that's exactly like the PS4, Xbox 360, which is cheaper or somewhat more expensive, but also better, which is really just beasting every game. And one thing that's really going to be a bad thing for YouTubers is that I don't believe you can record on it, or maybe it has built-in feature like that, like the PS4, but they haven't spoken about it. But one thing is certain, it's just killing Xbox 720 or One. It's called One. Really just such stupid name. Oh, Scout get fucked away, and PS4. It's just way better. It's just gonna dominate the market, because in every aspect it's better. Even name, serious. PS4 and Xbox One. Okay, now let's talk about Half-Life 3 and Left 4 Dead 3. I'm not the who, but the Steam database has been hacked, and they have found some files talking about the programming teams of Half-Life 3 and Left 4 Dead 3. So that's interesting, as you, well, most of you probably know. If you don't know all these things, I'll leave the link of the files, the pages, sites in the description. But as you all may know, or all may not know, we'll see. Lost my track of mind. What was I gonna say? Jaron, say something. I don't know. I'm lost.
About Team Fortress 3 and Half-Life 3 and stuff.
No. Well, yes, but what I was going to say is I lost it again. Damn it!
I don't know. I can't read your mind.
I can't cannot do it. Oh yeah, I remember some. What? I can't spit it out. It's about Half-Life 3 that it was announced earlier. What was it exactly? Jaren? You know what I mean? Half-Life 3 was semi-announced.
No.
Yeah. What did you show me last week? Well, this is just
Half-Life
going
3 is trademark.
Oh yeah, that. I totally forgot the argument for my conclusion. But Half-Life 3 was trademarked last week, so that's kind of revealing. Or they're just trademarking it for the fact that nobody else can make profit on their game, so that maybe somebody released a Half-Life 3 when they still want to make Half-Life 3 and they couldn't. They had to call it like Half-Life 2 Episode 3, which is really obnoxious. They're not gonna do it. Some fans hoped for it years ago, but we're pretty clear that's not gonna happen. Even because if they would do that, then they would already have trademarked that name, Half-Life 2 Episode 3. But they didn't. So they trademarked Half-Life 3, which I think, well, I definitely instantly thought Jaren can verify this. Half-Life 3 is coming out, which is awesome. I still haven't completed Half-Life 2 yet, but still, what I've seen of the game is amazing. But what I'm way more excited for is that when Half-Life 3 comes out, everything right now, Half-Life, Team Fortress 2, Left 4 Dead, well, Demon's not coming. Left 4 Dead, Left 4 Dead 2, Left 4 Dead 2, Team Fortress 2, what else do we got? Gary's mod, everything is running on the HL 2.exe. So just gonna pull Uber a little early and everybody is dead. Well, that's just great. Oh, sorry soldier, missed ya. But when Half-Life 3 comes out, things like Team Fortress 3 can finally come out after 9 years. Well, I think it's still gonna be year 1 or 2, or it's probably gonna be a release seller. Well, really a game that comes out with the release of the Steam machine, which just really makes fans, really diehard fans, will buy the Steam machine just straight only for Half-Life 3. And well, I'm not that big of a fan, but things like Team Fortress 3 I'm really looking forward to. But what really even confirms it even more is that, yeah, they hacked the files and found some files about some programming teams, about a plan about programming teams that were made teams from the programmers, or they're actually modders. Everybody at Valve are modders, because they just made Half-Life 2 and modified it to Team Fortress and yeah, everything I just said. So they made it the dynasty. They divided the programmers between two groups, the Left 4 Dead 3 team and the Half-Life 3 team, which is kinda obvious, which kinda reveals the fact that they're gonna make a Half-Life 3 and Left 4 Dead 3. But Left 4 Dead 3 we kinda already knew, because some time earlier at a press conference, or at least some kind of announcement thing, E3 or something, accidentally a file popped up saying or at least the file was called Left 4 Dead 3.exe, which was kind of strange. So when I wrote it, I directly thought this was like 1.5 years ago, and I directly thought, well, Half-Life 3 is gonna come out, which is just, wow, Team Fortress 3. That's just everything. And even more important, Portal 3. Some of you might not know, but I'm a huge Portal fan. And so even Jaren is even a huger, bigger Portal fan.
I think Portal and Portal 2 is my favorite game ever.
Yeah. So that's just awesome. So I want to share that with you. Leave your opinions down in the comments. Hey, you're a spy! Like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I'm not obligating you to anything. So I can't hit the spy. So I'll see you all next time.